Do you want to create children's animations like this?
Stomp, stomp, stomp! I love to stomp!
Wow, you're so loud!
Clap, clap to the
Can you
jungle
stomp
beat.
like me?
Stomp, stomp, jump,
Great
jump,
job.
jump. Come dance with me in the rainbow
Roar.
jungle.
I'm the happy jungle king.
1, 2, 3.
Awesome!
Stomp, stomp,
Can you roar
stomp.
like me?
Stomp, clap, clap, clap. Jump, jump,
Wow,
jump.
you
Don't
sound
stop,
strong.
Don't stop. Rainbow jungle parade.
I fly so high!
Rainbow
You're
jungle
amazing.
parade.
Can you flap your arms?
Big blue elephant stomps on the ground. Boom,
Jump, jump, jump.
boom, boom.
I'm super
What a
bouncy.
funny sound.
Can you jump with me?
Swing your trunk from side to side. Wiggle, wiggle, take a ride. Can you stomp like an elephant?
I meant
stomp, stomp.
Slap, slap.
Let's
Jump
do
with
it
me.
loud.
Can you swim like this?
Stomp, stomp, stomp. Stomp, stomp, stomp with the elephant
Everybody
feet.
shout.
Clap, clap, clap.
Without spending a dime? Stick around for a couple of minutes and let's learn how. First, you're going to need just 2 free tools, ChatGPT and Grok AI. You will start with ChatGPT for brainstorming. You will ask ChatGPT to give you 6 ideas of children's rhyme. Once you're done with the idea generation, the next thing you're going to do is to ask for the rhyme song. When you have the rhyme song ready, the next thing you're going to do is to generate the song. And for that, you're going to be moving to sono.ai. Sono.ai is another free application that enables you to create music for free. Once on Sono.ai, you will copy the song script that ChatGPT gave you, paste in Sono.ai, and it will enable you generate the song. Once your song is ready, you save it and you go back to ChatGPT for a scene by scene image prompt of your rhyme song. ChatGPT will bring out the exact scene by scene image prompt of your rhyme song. As soon as you have the scene by scene image prompt, you will move to Grok AI. If you are using Grok AI for the first time, it will prompt you to sign up. When you are signed up, you will go to Imagine and you will paste your first prompt. It will generate the video instantly for you. Once your videos are ready, you bring them into CapCut, combine them together, and it will give you a beautiful video like the one you just watched. If you found this useful, do not forget to repost this video, share to more than 5, leave a meaningful comment, and above all, follow for more useful tips like this. See you in our next hack.